ICM Electronics was founded in 1994 and currently has 11 employees. The administration building is located in Novi Sad and its production demonstrational center some 60 kilometers away in Platičevo. Its business is producing robotic systems for packaging, palletizing, welding, for food, beverage, and metalworking industries. In addition to manufacturing products and pallet conveyors of all types, cylindrical, chain, articulated link, band, etc., ICM Electronics also produces welding cells and equips robots with welding machines. The company operates mainly on the markets of former Yugoslavia and in Romania, Russia, Libya, and France.